Hello, in this video I want to show you how to successfully complete combat sequence in Warhammer Underworlds. To do this, first we'll need to decide which player turn it is. The player that has a current turn will need to flip his action token. He also needs to be in range for attack, and to check that we need to take a look on the card. So here usually you will find the weapon, and you can, if there's a multiple weapon, you can pick which one you want to use. And first on the card, on the weapon is a range. That means he can fight on a wand, and that's next to him. Then we have the symbol that we need to roll to have a success. There's also different symbols that we can roll that may count as a success, but that depends. And finally on the end we have damage. Now I'm gonna place this card right here. This light doesn't help, so let's just take it out like that. And then now let's say that this dog is attacking this dog, and first we need to roll our attack dice. They usually by default should look like this. They're white by default, and we need to take 3 dices as it's shown in the middle right there. Roll them, and now we have the 1 sword, which is success. Then we have the double supporting fighters symbol and 1 supporting fighter symbol. In this case, we have 3 supporting fighters. That means 1, 2, 3 against that dog, which all of the dice means are successful. And we can only take 2 results, so we need to discard 1. Then the dog, let's say it defends on 1 dice and it's an arrow. And right now we can also apply any modifiers to the attack. For example, if he had ensnare, then the defense roll, this dog wouldn't be able to roll on the arrow, which would make his defense almost impossible, only on the exclamation mark or the supporting sides. So now we can roll that defense, and he failed. So now we need to take a look on the instructions. I strongly recommend to check that each time you make an attack, because you can see the table with all of the results. So we had 2 successful attacks against 1 failed, and that automatically counts as a hit. Then we can roll and just go with one of the options. Is the target trapped? In this case, no. Then there's, or actually, yeah, it's just it's kind of complicated because you can see those tables, those arrows pointing to each attack. So we have a hit, then we deal damage. We deal 2 damage to that fighter. You can take those tokens and place it near the model or on the card. Then we can see if the target is out of action. He's not, I think. Then we can drive him back. And drive back means you can basically put that model 1 hex away from the attacker, and it needs to be somewhere like this, so it makes a direct attack. So for example, he can go here, or if actually there wouldn't be any other place, we could actually put him right here as well if there wouldn't be any model standing there. And that is basically how you make the entire combat sequence. And there's nothing else I should cover, I hope so. If not, let me down in the comments if you found some mistakes. Keep in mind about those modifications as well, as they can literally change on how the fight goes. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.